Matthew, welcome to Tameron Honda. My name is Julius. I'll be the product specialist assisting you on your Odyssey journey. Now, this is a highly regarded vehicle, highly regarded. The Odyssey is going to give you plenty of options in a minivan that you can't get in any other brand. We give you the daytime LED running lights and headlights and fog lights on the Odyssey package, breakaway mirrors, custom LX alloy wheels. The main thing about the Odyssey is the interior. New thing now, you're gonna get a push button transmission. We tested it for a couple years. It has no lag. It's very highly responsive and it's gonna be great on your transmission. And then you already know it's gonna give you all the room in the world in the Odyssey. And I'll show you around back. Another thing that makes the Odyssey so highly regarded are the stowaway magic seats. Now Matthew, all I need is a little of your time. Thank you so much for your interest. I would love to show you the Odyssey up closer, kind of show you whatever your options are going to be. And if this is not enough package, we'll find a package that's just perfectly right for you. My name is Julius, 205-835-7435. Feel free to call me or send me a text. I'm also going to send you this email. You can respond to me that way. At Tameron Honda, we guarantee you're going to love the way you treat it.